guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do project number 1 Whitehead Junior. So this is our project. What is the question is in just 10 buildings you have to make sure that 360 families get their rooms. Okay, so number of building criteria is only there should be in a colony 10 building. Okay, and each floor can have only two families. Only each floor can have only two families. So that we are going to first understand how is going to work this, and then we'll code in our desktop. So first we have to see that 360 families we have to fit in 10 building. So as we know that number of each floor contains only two families. So like each one building of floor contain two families. So just we can divide 360 by 2. So if you divide 360 by 2, you will get 180. You will get 180. So 180 you got. This is the number of buildings. This is the number of floors. This is the number of floors do you need. So now you can just divide it by 10, because now number of floor you have to build is 180, and you can divide it by 10 buildings. This 180 floors you have to fit in 10 buildings. So 0 get cancelled, and that's it, 18. So each floor, like you can build the same thing like this also. Like this graph will be 18, 18, 18, 18. Same this 18, 18. If you do 10 times, you will get the answer. But use your unique brain, means your unique creativity, and you can do as like this also. You can increase this number to like 25, or decrease this number to 16, or increase this number to 95. But all the total of 10 buildings you should get 180. Then the answer will be correct. So you understand, hope you understand this. So let's now go to our coding. So now you are in our desktop, guys. You can see first of all they'll give two buildings created. You can see here variables, and you have to create like this only 10 variables, because you have to create 10 buildings. So let's create 10 variables: B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9 and B10. Okay, B10. Okay, now you can see I have created variables. Now you can see the two floors are given. So now you have to copy one of the floor this one, and copy and paste it 8 times, because 2 times it is given. Copy and paste it 8 times. Okay, paste it. Now you have to change the B1, B2. Now you should change from here B3, B4 and B5. All this we have to change. Now let's change it. I'll provide the code link in the description, so you can go and check it out. But I suggest to do it yourself, because use your own creativity and do it yourself. But for your confirmation, for your checking things and for your understanding, I'll give this code in description. And if you haven't booked a free trial class, I'll give a link for booking free trial class also. So B9, and we have to copy one more time. We missed it. B10. B10. Now you can see we have created building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can see position. We have to change position. For building 1, position is 1. For building 2, position is 3. So same way every position you have to change to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's change it. Little bit of mistake I have done. I have created extra floors, so let's delete that. Okay, now we are changing the position once again. As you know, I explained in last class. Now we have to give like random floors. In whiteboard I have explained you have to give random floors, and all that random floors you enter, like 10 floors, the answer should be 180 if you add that every floors. Okay, I tell you now. Wait. Now run. See, you cannot see anything because we have not given any display function. You can see here b1 display dot, this one only you have to copy and just paste it 8 times, because there are 10 buildings, 2 are already there. Paste it 8 times. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have done extra, so let's delete extra ones. Okay. Now you have to enter build b1, b2. Just you have to change the number, because all we copied is the same number. Just change 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last one 10. Okay, now if you run, you can see all the buildings are looking once, because we copied the last one and we pasted. Now we have to change the height and everything. So after doing, I said no, you have to enter random floors, not maximum, not minimum. You can enter anyhow. Like you enter here like 25. Again from building 2 floors you enter like 20. Then enter 10. Then you can enter 5. All random number you can enter, but it should not be more big and not too small. Okay, so enters. Now let's enter like 40. Now 15. Eight. 25. This one 12, I think so. Let's enter 12 only. Okay, so last one we are going to enter 20. Okay, now what you have to do, you can see all the buildings up down is there. Now what you have to check is all the floors you have given now for building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the floors you have to add. You should get 180. If you got the answer as 180, then this your project is fully complete. Now you can save and submit the project. So thank you for watching video, guys. We'll meet you in the next video, and for next project please subscribe to our channel. You will be getting this type of projects.